Good evening and welcome to Solve Along with Rice, a YouTube live series where you get to solve along with our educators the JEE Mains 2022 Session 1 kick papers along with our expert educators. मेरा नाम है फनी, मैं यहाँ पे राइस में काम करता हूँ. आज हम केमिस्ट्री सीरीज 1 के पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे. Before I introduce today's expert, let me tell you a bit about Rice. Rice is an AI-powered ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म जहां आपको आईआईटी मेंस, नीट, एमसेट की तरह जो भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करनी है वहां पे हो सकती है. गेट योर फ्री अकाउंट टुडे एट rise.in. Make complete use of the mock tests, identify your weak areas with a detailed exam analysis, and also understand your time management. Be 100% exam ready with our short notes and a comprehensive quick revision material. Dosto, don't miss out on this opportunity. Get your Rise account now. Do not also forget to subscribe to this YouTube live channel क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम हर रोज JEE Mains के क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. Now, before I leave, let me introduce our chemistry faculty, Ajay sir.
Hello students. Hello students, how are you? So let me introduce myself. So this is Ajay Jumdi, your favorite chemistry educator. So once again, all of you, welcome to Rise, the perfect guide. Today we are going to solve session 1, 24th June, shift 2 chemistry question paper. Okay. So along with this, we will also discuss how session 2 will become. So how they will ask questions. So these things also we will discuss, and we will solve each and every question with beautiful tricks. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so we will solve each and every question of our JEE Mains June 24th June first session, and shift to question paper. Okay, so for each and every question I'll give 1 or 2 minutes time, because this is JEE Mains na. So so mostly numericals will be there, time consuming na. So that's why I will give 2 to 3 minutes for each and every question. So then I'll discuss. Okay. Okay. So your first question, see here, first question screen మీద కనిపిస్తుంది. 120 of an organic compound that contains only carbon and hydrogen gives 330 grams of CO2 and 270 grams of water on the complete combustion. The percentage of carbon and hydrogen respectively. So what? So this question is came from which chapter? Sandeep, tell me which chapter? Thermodynamics. Okay. So combustion based question. Okay. Very important questions. Okay. Na? So yesterday we discussed now. So in that session also one question is came. That means 24th session shift 1. Okay. Okay, your time starts now. Try to give the answers for each and every question. No problem, even though if you will do wrong. So give me answer. Numerical question. Okay, numerical question. Good evening, Tejaswini. Good evening. Try to give me answer, ma. I will give one minute time. Tejaswini. Okay, so let us discuss the answer. So this reaction is based upon what? Combustion. So generally, what is the basic reaction for combustion? So I think you people know. So the basic reaction for combustion is CX and HY and plus and X plus Y, and here we will have O2 and gives less to X CO2, X moles of CO2 and Y moles of H2O. This is the what? This is basic formula for what? Combustion reaction. See here, mass of CO2 is given. So what is the mass of CO2? 330 grams. Okay, first of all we have to find the mass. So 330 grams. Okay, sir, 330 grams. See here, how many moles? So we have to find how many moles of CO2 is present. So how many moles of CO2 is present? Tell me how many moles. So we have to calculate. See here, moles equal to, so see here, 330 grams by, so mass, what is the mass, what is the atomic mass of CO2? 44. Okay, carbon atomic mass is 12 and oxygen atomic mass is 16. Okay, so two oxygens are present. Just calculate that, you will get 44. Okay, so if you will calculate this, what you will get? You will get 7.5. Okay, 7.5 grams. Okay, so how much, how many moles of CO2 is present in this combustion reaction? Very simple, 7.5 moles of CO2 is present. Okay, so at the same time we have to calculate, see here y by 2 moles of H2O is present. See here H2O. So see here for H2O also they are given how many grams are present H2O? So 270 grams of H2O is present. Okay, sir. Next, we have to find number of moles of H2O. How many moles of H2O are present in this conversion reaction? That also we have to know. Okay. Nandu Reddy. Hi, Nandu Reddy. If you are uncomfortable with my language, okay, na, if I want to tell me in Hindi or English or Telugu, you just mention here. Are you understanding or not? That also you just mention. Okay, so otherwise, how can I understand? Okay, okay, see here, 270. So let us find the number of moles of this H2O. See here, moles is equal to, so how many grams are present CO2, sorry, H2O? See here, 270 grams of H2O is present. What is the molar mass or molecular weight of this H2O? So hydrogen having atomic mass 1 and oxygen having 16. Here two hydrogens are there. So that means 2 into 1 and 1 oxygen. So 16. So 16 plus 2 is equal to how much? We will get 18. So 270 by 18. So how much answer we will get? Very simple. Very simple. Tell me how much answer we will get? 15 we will get. Okay. See here. Here 15 moles of H2O is present in this combustion reaction. Okay, 7.5 moles of CO2 is present and 15 moles of H2O is present. Is it clear? Give me one thumbs up. Okay, so then we have to find, what we have to find, tell me in this question, what they are asking exactly, the percentage of carbon and hydrogen we have to find. So first of all, let me calculate the percentage of carbon. So if you want to calculate the percentage of this carbon, first what we have to know? We have to know mass of this carbon. Mass of the carbon. So what is the mass of the carbon? See here, number of moles, how many moles are present here? 7.5 moles are present here. Okay, 7.5 moles are present. And how many carbon atoms are present? This is very important. See here only one carbon is there here. Okay, one carbon is there. So 7.1 into 7.5 into 1 is equal to what? So 7.5 only. Okay, 7.5 only. Very simple. 7.5 only. Clear? Clear? If do you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Nobody is giving reply. No problem. No problem. See here. See here. And see here. What is the atomic mass of this carbon? Atomic mass of this carbon. Atomic mass of this carbon. One carbon is present. What is the atomic mass? So 12. Obviously 12. 7.5 into 12 is how much? We'll get to 90 grams. Okay. So 90 grams. Clear? So 90 grams. So then we can find the what? Percentage of the carbon. Percentage of the carbon. See here, how many grams of carbon is present in this CO2, in this entire combustion reaction? How many? Only carbon. They are not asking. See here, here in the question they have given CO2. How many grams is how many grams of CO2 is present? That they have given. Okay, Nandu. But so this is what 90 grams means. Only carbons. How many grams of carbon is present? See here, 90. Okay, sir. And total how many grams are organic solvent is there? 120 grams. So see here 120 gram. So 90 into 1, here we are doing percentage now. That's why we have to do into 100. So how much we will get? Tell me how much we will get. Tell me. Simple. Do the calculation. Do the calculation. We will get how much? 75. So 75. Okay, na 75 percentage of the carbon is present in this combustion reaction. Okay, is it clear? So let us find the percentage of the hydrogen. Percentage of the hydrogen. See here. See here. First of all, what we have to find? We have to find at say same here we find mass of carbon. Na? At the same time we have to find mass of hydrogen. So because we are finding the percentage of the hydrogen. Na? See here what is the mass of hydrogen? Yes. Nandu Reddy, very good. So mass of hydrogen is equal to how much? See here, here two hydrogens are present. So two hydrogens are present. See here, 15. So 15, this is 15 now. So 15 into two hydrogens, So how much we will get? 30. Very simple, 30. So 30 grams of hydrogen is present. Clear? Okay, then we will find percentage of hydrogen. So percentage of hydrogen is called how much? So here this 30 grams by total how many grams? 120 grams. 120 grams. So we are doing percentage. Means what we have to do? We have to into with 100. We have to do multiply with 100. Okay. So how much we will get here? 25 percentage. Am I right? 25 percentage. Very simple. So percentage of the carbon how much? 75. And percentage of the hydrogen how much? 25. So what is the correct option? Tell me. By seeing this, just please take one screenshot. Nandu Reddy, please take one screenshot. Okay, if you will take screenshot, then I'll move to next question. Okay, what is the correct option here? The correct option is this 75 plus 25. So 75 and 25. Is it clear? Is it clear? So combustion based. These questions are very, very important because in first in first shift also they asked based on this combustion. Okay, na? Okay, na? Okay, sir. So let us go to the next question. Okay, sir. Let us go to the next question. So what is the next question? See here. This is also numerical based question. What is the next question? The energy of 1 molar photon of radiation of wavelength 300 nanometer. Okay, na 300 nanometer, and they are given the values also, H value also they given, and N value and C value also they given. So just you have to know a simple formula to find the energy of, and see here, observe carefully, they asked for 1 mole of photon. Okay, na we have to find for 1 mole of photon energy. So what is the formula for energy? Tell me Nandu. This is very simple question. Very simple question. Tejaswini, Nandu, tell me. I will give 1 minute of time. Try to solve this question. Try to solve this question. Okay. Okay. Try to solve this question. 30 seconds, Sundinka. You can solve very easily. Yes, even though it is what? It is a numerical based question. Maybe time consume avvachu. Maybe it will take some time. But you can find the answer within 1 to 2 minutes. It's very easy. If you will know formula and they are given everything here only. So what is the H value and N value, C value? Just we have to put the values and then we will get answer. Then we will get answer. Okay. See here. So see here what they asked. They asked to find the what? Energy. See here, what is the formula for energy? Tell me. E is equal to Hc by lambda. This is very simple formula. Okay, na? To find the energy. So H value. H is what? Planck constant. So H value already here given. So just put the value here. So E is equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule seconds. Okay, joule seconds. And next, what is the C? So C value అనేటువంటి the C value is fixed in a 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Here also C value also given. Okay, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, by what is the lambda value? Tell me, what is the lambda value? What is the lambda here? Lambda means what? Wavelength. Here given na lambda is equal to how much? 300 nanometers. 300 nanometers. So we have to convert this nanometer into, so first of all let me write 300 nanometers now. We have to convert this nanometers into meters. So what should I do? So I have to multiply with 10 to the power of -9, then I'll get answer in meters. Clear? Clear? So do the calculation. Do the calculation. How much you will get? Tell me. So here you will get energy of one photon. Energy of one photon. Okay, one photon. See here, 6.63 into 10 to the power, 6.62 into 10 to the power of -19 into 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 3, and into 6.02 into 10 to the power of 2. Okay, by Na. See here, Na value, how much they are given? Na value, how much they have given? B, very good, B, very good. Okay, so well try, Vijay is for well try. So see here, Na value, how much they are given? So 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. So see here, I'm just multiplied with this value. Okay, I just multiplied with this value. So what we will get? Tell me, what we will get? Tell me. So we will get energy of one photon. So we will get 6.63 into 6.02 into 10. So this we will get. So this is for what? Energy of one photon. But what they asked, energy of 1 mole of photon. So 1 photon is different and 1 mole of photon is different. Okay, 1 mole of photon is different. So see here, this we will get. So not 10 here. Okay, so we have to multiply with 10. We have to multiply with 10. See, he's what we will get? 6.63 into 6.02 means how much we will get? 39.9 we will get, and into here we have to do 10, into here we have to do 10. So we will get 399 kilo joules per mole. So 399 is the correct option. So option C is the correct option. Okay, option C is the correct option. 39.9 into 10 is how much? 399 na? Very simple, 399. So what is the correct option? Correct option is C. Very simple. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Okay, so what is the next question? So this question is very simple. Okay, very simple. See here, just add in this options, in this option, just add one another. See here, CO2 2 minus, sorry, O2 2 minus, add this. Okay, add this, then tell me what is the correct option. Tell me what is the correct option. Bond order based question. This question is asked from chemical bonding, and very simple question. So I have one beautiful trick to find bond order. If you don't know, please wait. So this is simple question. So MSET students also they can do this question. Okay, Vijay is for ready. Try to give the answer. I think you no need more than 1 minute. It will take just 30 seconds. Okay, but you have to know one trick. If you will know that trick, you will get answer within 1 minute. Okay, within 1 minute, and within 30 seconds also you can get the answer. Okay, so let me tell the answer. So your time is up, so my time will going to be start. Okay, see here. So if they will ask about bond order, so I will give one beautiful trick. So first of all, write this trick and then we will do the answer. So here I am writing number of electrons, and here I am writing what? Bond order. Okay, bond order. If number of electrons 14 is there, then our bond order should be 3. And if you will go up and decrease just 0.5, And if you will go down, just decrease with 0.5. Okay, see here, if 13 electrons is there, so what is the bond order? Just 2.5. okay now we have to what, decrease 0.5. Next 12, if 12 electrons there, what is the bond order? Just 2. And if 11 electrons are there, what is the bond order? So 1.5. If 10 electrons are there, what is the bond order? 1. Very simple. Okay na, see Naidu Reddy, very very good. Okay, very good. Okay, see here, next go down, and if 15 electrons are there, what is the bond order? Just decrease 0.5. So 2.5 we will get here. So if number of electrons are 16 is there, then our bond order should be 2. If 17 is there, 1.5. If 18 is there, so 1. Okay, so see here, so trick. So now you know trick, and here we have exceptions. Very important. Note this. Okay, very important. So what is the exception means here? Okay, 1 second. So here not here no exceptions are there. In bond order exceptions are there. Okay, just see here, first CO2 minus is there, C2 2 minus is there. So generally carbon having a 6 electrons, but here C2 is there. So 6 into 2 is equal to how much? 12. Okay, so 12. But here the carbon atom having 2 minus, that means it is having extra 2 electrons. That means we have to add 2 electrons. 12 plus 2 is equal to how much? 14 electrons. If 14 electrons are there, so what is the bond order? The bond order should be 3. Okay, bond order should be 3. So for this C2 2 minus, what is the bond order? Bond order is 3. So let us find for N2 2 minus. So if N2 2 minus is there, what is the bond order? What is the bond order? Okay, see here. So nitrogen, basically nitrogen having how many electrons? Kitna electrons रहता है nitrogen में? 7 electrons. But here N2 is there. That means 7 into 2. That means 14 electrons. And here N2 is having 2 minus. That means it is carrying extra 2 electrons. So 14 plus 2 is equal to how much? 16 electrons. So if 16 electrons are there, what is the bond order? Very simple, bond order is 2. Okay, next I said that you just wrote to O2 2 minus na. So in O2 2 minus, so how many electrons are there? So oxygen generally having 8 electrons. Here 2 oxygen atoms are there. That means 8 into 2 is equal to 16, and here having 2 minus charge. That means how much? How much? Tell me. 18 electrons. So if 18 electrons are there, what is the correct option? So what is the bond order? So 1. So 2. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So we have to write what? Correct order. Okay na? So C2 having highest bond order. So where C2 having highest bond order? See here in option B. See here, option B is the correct option. C2 having 3 and N2 having 2 and O2 having how much? 1. This is what? This is the increasing order of what? Bond order. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, let us go to the next question. So next question. So at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atom pressure, the enthalpies of combustion are as given below. See here, enthalpy of combustion values are given. This again, this question came from where? Thermodynamics. Okay na, thermodynamics. And we have what we have to find? We have to find enthalpy of formation. Okay na, enthalpy of formation. First question is based on what? Enthalpy of combustion, and this question is also related to that topic only, but here we have to find enthalpy of formation. I will give 1 minute of time. Try to solve this answer. So generally it will take 2 to 3 minutes to solve this question. Okay, so let me check the comments. I am done. Sir Hrutik Roshan, कौन से थंब से करता है फिंगरप्रिंट के लिए? सो वैसी बात मेरे को कैसे पता चलेगा? आपको ही पता चलेगा, आप तो लेजेंड है। ओके, मैं तो मिला भी नहीं इस। कोई ट्राई टू गिव द आंसर, ट्राई टू गिव द आंसर। Okay, try to give the answer. So 1 minute is over. 1 minute is over. Just this is very simple answer. Very simple answer. We can find the answer very easily, but it will take time, and you have to know the formula. Okay, na? How to find this enthalpy of formation? You will have one small formula. Okay, na? You have to apply that formula. Then only you will get. Okay, not like formula. One equation like. Okay. And first of all, must and should, you have to form the equation. We have to form the reaction, we have to form, and we have to balance the equation also. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so let me solve this question. Okay, so what is the question? So what is the question? So in the question they are given enthalpies of combustion, and we have to form, very simple, we have to form enthalpy of formation. So enthalpy of formation, and especially they are asking about ethane. So what is the general formula? See here, ethane. So see here, H2 is there and carbon is there, and they are going to combine, and it will produce what? C2H6. That means what? That means what? Ethane. So first of all, we have to write the equation. So what is the correct equation? So carbon is there, so in graphite state, and next here also hydrogen is there. Hydrogen is there. So both it will produce what? C2H6. Okay, so this is general equation. So we have to, what we have to do? We have to balance the equation. See here, two carbons are there. So here we can mention 2, because product side, how many number of atoms are there, na? So at the same time, at the reactant side also, same number of atoms should be present. Then only equation will going to be balanced. Okay, na? Okay, sir. Next, what is there? See here, H2 is there. So here number of hydrogens, how many are there? How many number of hydrogens are there here in product? 6 hydrogens are there, but in reactant side only 2 are there. So what we have to do? So just we have to multiply with 3. So 3 into 2, 6. So now equation is completely balanced. Okay, now so now you have to understand here how many moles of carbon is there? 2 moles of carbons are there, and how many moles of hydrogens are there? H2. How many moles of H2 is there? 3 moles of H2 is there. Okay, na? So both they are going to combine, and it will produce what? C2H6. That means ethane. Okay, na? So what we have to find? Just enthalpy of formation. So we will indicate like this, enthalpy of formation. So how we will calculate the enthalpy of formation? This is very important. Okay, very, very important. See here, enthalpy of combustion of reactants. That means this carbon and this H2O. Okay, minus, very important, minus enthalpy of combustion of product. So if we will do, हम क्या करना है? हमको this enthalpy of combustion है ना reactants का, and उसमें से हमको products का enthalpy of combustion को क्या करना है? delete करना है और subtraction करना है. So then we will get what? Enthalpy of formation. Then we will get what? Enthalpy of formation. See here. So each and every values they are given in the question. So no need to worry. See here, what are the reactants are there here? C2 is there. Sorry, carbon is there, and H2 is there. H2 also there. See here. C. So see here, combustion. How much value here given? See here, first of all, carbon and 2 moles of carbon. I will let me write here, and 3 moles of H2 is there. So carbon enthalpy of combustion, how much? See here, carbons minus 394.0. Okay, and we have to multiply with 2 because here 2 carbons are there na, 2 carbons are there na, just very simple, and plus this 3H2. 3H2 means what? Here 1 H having so 1 H2 having how much enthalpy of combustion? Very simple. See here, they are given in the question only, minus 286.0, minus 286.0 into, so how many moles are present here? What is the stoichiometric value here? 3. So into 3. Okay, 3 is there. So see here, just we have to do the calculation, and see here, reactant तो complete हो गया. Okay, reactant तो complete हो गया, ये complete हो गया. I will change the pen color, then you'll understand. ये तो complete हो गया. Then what we have to do? We have to do minus, this is what? Enthalpy of combustion of product. So see here, what is the value? Minus, see here, minus 1560. Okay, so do this calculation. How much answer you will get? Tell me. How much answer you will get? Tell me. See, very good, Vijay Shankar. Very good, very good. Oh yes, you can download hall tickets. You can download also. So you will get what? Minus, we will get what? Around we will get minus 86.0 kilojoules per mole. Okay, clear? So otherwise you will get approximate value. Okay na? So what is the correct option? Correct option is 3. Okay, correct option is 3. So if you have a calculator, just you can solve very simply. Okay na? Calculation only, simple calculation only, plus minus into. Okay na? Okay, so let us go to the next question. Let us go to the next question. Okay bacho, so what is the next question? See here, very simple, very simple. They are asking what? How we have to find the half-life of what? First order. See here, for the first order reaction, the time required for completion of 90% of reaction is x times. So if you want to complete one reaction, so they are telling, if one reaction is completed 90%, they are telling that x times. Okay, see here, for the first order reaction, the time required for the completion of 90%, so the reaction is x times. Okay, x times. And then what is the half-life? They are asking about half-life. Okay, for this we have a beautiful trick. I already said during this MSET crash course. If anyone followed that, you can easily do the answer. You can easily do the answer. This question is asked from chemical kinetics and very simple, very simple. इसको solve करने के लिए लगभग तुमको 10 seconds लगेगा, लेकिन इस ट्रिक को याद करने के लिए तुमको 4 से 5 मिनट लगेगा. ओके, ट्रिक याद हो गया तो you can solve the question within 10 seconds only. Within 10 seconds only you can solve. Vijayeswar, what is the answer? For the first order reaction, the time required for completion of 90% of the reaction is x times. Then what is the half-life? Okay, your time is up. So let me calculate the answer. Okay, first of all, I will tell the trick, okay, now, which is very important. If in next session, if they will ask any question depending on this first order reaction half-life, you can solve very easily. So first of all, I will tell, for example, 100. This is just imagine this is what initial concentration. Okay, so first of all, one reaction initial concentration is 100 is there. So if 50% reaction is completed, then what is the time required here? T of, what is the half life here? T of 100 को half किया तो कितना 50 आएगा ना. So if 75%, that means if 75% reaction is completed na, so how much percent reaction is will be there? Just 25. Okay na. So here what is the half life? T of, here also we will get T of, because here from 50 to 25 means here also half only. Okay na. Next 25 to 12.5. So then here what is the half life? Here also half life, that means T half only. And if 12.5 to 6.25, then here also half life T half only. Be very good. Be very good. Okay. So no problem. If you are giving right answer or wrong answer, no problem. You are giving the answer. That's very good. Vijayeshwar. So if you will give wrong answer na, then you will understand, yeah, this is the right answer. I made mistake here. Okay. Okay, no problem. See here. So I'm telling trick. This trick is very important. Try to note this trick. Very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. See here. So let us write for completion of 50% reaction. If I want to complete the 50% of the reaction, what is the time required? Very simple. See here already I said T off only. So T off is equal to, T off means what? Half life. Okay. T off means what? Half life. So half life is called 50%. Okay. So for 25% of the reaction, for the 25% of the reaction, tell me. See here half life should be different, because T of here, one T of is there, here one T of is there. That means here 2 T half should be there for completion of 75% of the reaction. Okay. 75% reaction complete ho gaya, to here 25% reaction will be there. Okay. Okay. Next. So if you want to complete, so if you will complete 75% plus this 12.5 means how much? 87.5% of reaction is completed na. If 87.5% reaction is completed, then what is the half life? 3 into T half. That means this is one T half, this is another T half, this is another T half. So 3 T halves. So if you want to complete this 93.75% of the reaction, so how much half-life should be here? 4 into 1 by 2 T half, 4 into T half. Okay, 4 into T half. So this is the simple trick, and I will give another simple trick also. So I will write this shortcutly. First of all, take this screenshot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, take. Okay, next. So I will write these things. See here, for completion of 50% of the reaction, how much time we will take? How much half-life time? T half only. So next, if you want to complete, if you will complete 75% of the reaction, then what is the half-life? 2 T half. If time 75% of the 87.5% of the reaction is completed, then what is the T half? 3 into 3 T half. Okay, next, if 93.75% of the reaction is completed, then what is the half-life? 4 into T half. Okay na? So these are very, very, very important, and I will tell very important 3 things. If reaction is completed 90%, so we have to use simply this formula, 10 by 3 T half. And if reaction is completed T 99%, 20 by 3. So actually I calculated by putting the values in the general, that formula is there na. Okay, na, first order formula. So it will be very easy to easy for you. So it is like simple trick. You no need to calculate. Okay, na? So that's why I am only giving here 99.9%. If one reaction is completed 99.9%, that means 1% reaction baki hai. So sab kuch khatam ho gaya. So in this case, what is the time life? 10 t half. 10 t half. 10 t half. You have to remember, if you have to remember this 1, 2, 3, 7 values, you will do 90% of the half life questions regarding this first order reaction. Okay na? Okay, so ab to trick complete ho gaya. Now trick was completed. So what we have to find is we have to solve this question. See here, for the first order reaction, time required for the completion of 90% of the reaction. See here, I said this trick na. See here, 90% of the reaction is completed. So then what is the time? What is the half life? See here, 10 to the power of 10 by 3 t half. 10 by 3 t half. Okay, 10 by 3 t half. So just see here, we can see here, don't confuse. See here, we can 3 ones are 3.33 or 3.32 something value we will get na. So we can say simply 3.3 t half. Okay, so what is the answer? Option C is the correct option, 3.33 t half. Okay, if they will ask if 99 point here, if they will give 99% of the reaction is completed, so then what is the x value? If they will ask x times what is the x value? Okay, now what you have to tell? You have to tell simply 10 t half. 10 t half. If they will ask for 99.99%, 99%, so then you have to tell 20 by 3 t half. So 20 by 3 t half ante how we can also write like this na. 3 ones are 3, 6.66. We can write 6.66 answer. Did you catch my point? Okay, this is the simple trick to find the half life of the first order reaction. I hope you understood. Okay na, very simple answer. So kya hai? 10 by 3 t half hai formula. Okay na, simple formula. 3 ones are and 3.33 something is there na. So approximately value how much? 3.32. So very simple, option C is the correct option. Okay, iska answer complete ho gaya. Let us go to the next question. Save. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Okay, so most of the numericals are completed. Okay na, numerical types of questions are completed in section A only. अब तो section B बाकी है, वो तो बहुत important है. See here, metals generally melts at a very high temperature. Yes, this statement is obviously correct. Metals generally melt at very high temperature. Okay sir, among the following metals, which the highest melting point? And they are given 4 options. Okay, we have to find which metal will show highest melting point. Tell me which metal will show highest melting point. Okay, 6 members are there in all live. Tell me. This is very simple question and NCERT based question. Theory question. So I discussed about this in MSET crash course also. Okay, what is the answer? Very simple question. Okay, see here, I will tell the answer. So you have to remember, must and should. See here, these are theory based question. There is no tricks. Okay na, there is no tricks. See here, so we already know that this gallium and this Hg and this and Ag, sorry, not Ag, except this Ag, this cesium and Hg, I am writing here Hg and Cs, cesium and gallium. See here, it will melt at 27 degrees centigrade. So it will convert into the liquid, and this gallium will convert into liquid. So at 23 degrees centigrade, and this Hg also if you will give low temperature, even though if you will give low temperature, so low, sorry, if you will melt it, so it will what easily it will going to melt. Okay, and it will convert into the liquid. So this both three are approximately at room temperature, near room temperature. So this Hg and cesium and gallium, these three are going to convert into the liquids. Okay, liquids. But this Ag is will not converts into the liquid at room temperature. It will acts like solid. Okay, Ag will what, in which state? Solid state. See here, solid state. Okay, so Ag is present in solid state means if you want to melt Ag, what we have to give? Tejaswini, Vijay Shankar, D, very good. D, no, not D, not D, not D, Vijay Shankar. Tejaswini, try to give the answer. Okay, na? So Ag is the correct option. Okay, na? Because it is solid, na? Solid, na? Solid, generally solids will have what? High melting point. Okay, na? High melting point. Clear? This is very simple. Okay, let us go to the next question. See here, which of the following chemical reaction is represent Helmholtz process? So very simple. Hall-Harlout process. Tell me what is the answer. I will give one simple trick. I will tell one hint. So it will generally use it to use it in the production of what? Aluminium. Generally this process is used for the what? Production of aluminium. Now you can say the answer now. Very simple. Very simple. Tell me what is the related equation for the production of this aluminium. Hall-Harlout process. This chemical reaction is represents what? See here, very simple. Generally this Hall-Harlout process is generally we will use for the production of aluminium. Okay, production of aluminium. See here, in which reaction is there aluminium? In which reaction is there aluminium? This, in this reaction, option B. See here, option B, very simple. This is what? This is alumina, and this what? This carbon, this is like electrophile. This is acting like electrophile. It is graphite state, this carbon. So it will produce what? Alumina. So this is very simple reaction. Option B is the correct option. Okay, option B is the correct option. Okay, let us go to the next question. See here, in the industrial production of which of the following molecular hydrogen is obtained as a byproduct? So in the production of what? In the production of NaOH, or in the production of NaCl, or Na metal, or Na2CO3, in which metal production we generally H2O will going to release as a byproduct? So H2, hydrogen gas. You have to tell the answer. This is also very simple question and NCERT based question. Okay, now try to give the answer. अरे एटलीस्ट ट्राई करो भाई, कोई बात नहीं, रॉन्ग हो जाएगा तो भी कोई बात नहीं. ओके, विजयेश्वर, okay, so I will only tell this is also very simple reaction. This also the correct option is NaOH. So in the production of NaOH, generally H2 H2 gas will going to release as a byproduct. So generally what will be happen? So in the production of NaOH, generally what we will use brine solution, na? Brine solution. Okay, now brine solution means what? NaCl. Okay, NaCl. So basically this reaction will occur at anode and both anode and cathode. So anode and cathode. So here at the place of anode, what we will take? We will take carbon. At the place of this cathode, what we will take? We will take Hg. Okay, Hg. See here reaction, how reaction will be happen here? See here, 2 Cl minus, and it will go into what? Produce Cl2 plus, and it will release 2 electrons. That means it is what? Oxidation. Okay, it is what? Oxidation. And at the cathode, simple reduction will be happen here. So Na plus is there na, so it will take 1 electron and it will become like Na, and very important here Hg is there na, so it will go, it will come and attach with what? This sodium. Okay na, this we will call as what? Sodium amalgam. Sodium amalgam. Okay, sodium amalgam. Clear? So what will be happen when this sodium amalgam, that means NaHg is going to react with water, and it will produce what? NaOH, and as a byproduct, H2 gas is going to be released. It is a byproduct. And remember, this is not any state entrance examination, not MSET, not CPJET. This is IIT JEE. So definitely they will ask higher level questions. Okay na? Question difficulty level is definitely కొంచెం ఎక్కువనే ఉంటుంది, थोड़ा बड़ा ही होता है. Okay. So what is the correct option? The correct option is what? Option A. Okay, option A, NaOH. Okay, let us go to the next question. 7th question. Which one of the following compounds used as a chemical in certain type of fire extinguishers? Fire extinguisher. So as a fire extinguisher, so which chemical we will going to use? So baking soda, or soda ash, or washing soda, or caustic soda. So which chemical we will use as a fire extinguisher? Okay, so shall I give one hint? Vijay Ishwar, shall I give one hint? C. Very good. But please think once again. Tejaswini, think once again. So that is wrong answer. Okay na? So I will tell. So fire extinguisher means what? CO2 gas will going to be produced. So just see the preparation method of this baking soda and soda ash and washing soda and caustic soda. In which chemical compound in their preparation process CO2 gas will going to be released? Just imagine. D. Caustic soda. That is also wrong answer. No problem, Vijayeshwar and Tejaswini. Very good. Well try. I will appreciate. B. No, not B. So एक C खत्म हो गया, D खत्म हो गया, B खत्म हो गया. क्या बच गया? Baking soda बच गया. What is the formula for baking soda? Tell me. I think you people are using elimination method here. Okay, you people are using elimination method. Tejaswini and Vijayeshwar. Okay, first Tejaswini said that C, so we are eliminated. Okay, and next Vijay said that D, so we are eliminated. Yes, remaining answer only obviously A, Vijayeshwar. Next B, so that was also eliminated. So what is the correct option? Baking soda is the correct option. So how? See here, what is the formula of baking soda? Do you know what is the formula of baking soda? NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is the formula of what? Baking soda. And when it will going to react with H2SO4 and it will produce Na2SO4 plus CO2 plus H2O, and this CO2 acts as a what? Fire extinguisher. Okay, so as I said that preparation methods, na? So not in chemical properties of this baking soda, I mean these compounds, not for preparation methods. Okay, okay, so what is the correct option? What is the correct option? Option A is the correct option. Okay, CO2 क्या करेगा? CO2 क्या करेगा? If fire is there na, fire is there na, if we will what we can do? I don't know what exactly I have to tell in English, but no problem. See, I think you understood na, you people. Okay, no problem. So what is the correct option? Option A is the correct option. Okay, let us go to the next question. What is the next question? Back, how can I come back? Ninth question or 10th question? Okay, so 10th question. See the 10th question. PCl5 is well known, but NaC5 is what? NaCl5 is not well known. Why? See here, what is the question means? Phosphorus pentachloride is well known. We know. Okay, na? Phosphorus pentachloride is well known. But NaCl5, that means nitrogen pentachloride. Did you heard about this? This is not known. Why? Why? Tejaswini, very good. So now at least now you just try. At least I will happy if you will use elimination method also. I will happy. At least you are communicating with me. I am very happy. Tejaswini and Vijay Ashwar Reddy. Okay. Now you just tell me. It is having very simple reason. PCl5 is well known, but NCl5 it's not well known. Why? Why? Because what is the reason? Nitrogen is less reactive than phosphorus. Is it correct? Or nitrogen does not have d orbital in the valence shell? Is it correct? Or option C, catenation tendency is weaker in nitrogen than phosphorus. So is it correct? Or size of phosphorus is larger than nitrogen? Which one is correct option? अब थोड़ा सोचो, just think once, think. I think you people know this answer. Okay, I will tell answer. No problem. No problem. See here, what is the correct option means? Correct option is B. B for Bhadrachalam. B for Bombay. Bombay. See here. Why B is the correct option? Nitrogen doesn't have d orbitals. Am I right or wrong? Tejaswini, very good. Okay na? Okay na? Okay. So why B is the correct option? See, nitrogen doesn't have d orbital. It is true statement only. See here, phosphorus having p orbital, empty p orbital, then it will form. It will go in. See here, I will write here phosphorus. Okay, now what is the atomic number of phosphorus? Tell me what is the atomic number of phosphorus? Fine. So neon 3s2 3p5. Not like this. P here. 1 second. 15. So valence shell electrons, how many valence electrons are present? 5. So it can form what? It can form what? PCl5. But here empty d orbitals are not present. Okay, empty d orbitals are not present. How can I explain this? If I want me to tell very simply, nitrogen के पास d ऑर्बिटल नहीं है, इसके पास empty d orbital nahi hai. Okay na? So it cannot form what? NCl5. But phosphorus having d orbital, okay na? So it can form. Okay na? It can form. Not C. Here not C, Vijay Shankar. Option B is the correct option only. Option B is the correct option only. I'll try to explain this. Give me 1 second of time. So phosphorus having neon 3s2 and 3p3, 3p3, this PCl5. And when comes to this NaCl5, so nitrogen, what is the electronic configuration of this nitrogen? See here, nitrogen 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. 2p4 now. See here 3D here not there. There is no 3D, but here 3D is there. 3D is 0. Okay, am I right? 3D is 0. See here 3s2, 1, 2 and 3p3, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 electrons are present in pre, and it can form, see here 3 chlorines will come here, will attach with this 3p orbital, one will attach with this px, one will attach with this py, one will attach with this pz. See here, next here in 3D 0 is there na, so here 1D and 2D, so total here 1 Cl, here 1 Cl, here 1 Cl, here 1 Cl, here 1 Cl. So 5 Cl will form, will go into hybridation. It will have something sp3 dehybridation, sp3 dehybridation na, 5 Cls. See here, it is having exception. Okay, give me 1 second of time. Give me 1 second of time. One neon 3s2 and 3p3, 3s2, 3p3 and 3d0, and this 2s2 is going to what? Excited. This is ground state electronic configuration. In excited state electronic configuration of phosphorus, what will be happen? What will be happen? 3d1. Yes, 3d1. Okay, one electron will going to move what in 3d? See here 3s1 and here 3p3 same as it is, and in 3d0 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So one chlorine will going to bond form bond with this, and one chlorine with this, and one chlorine with this, and one chlorine with this. So 5 chlorines. So this is what S, this is what P3, and this is what D. So sp3d hybridation. Okay, but when comes to NCl3, see here NCl3. So nitrogen atomic number is how much? 7. So 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4, 2p4. So there is only ground state electronic configuration only there. There is no excited state. See here 2s2 and 2p4, 1 2 3 4, and so can it form bond with this Cl? Okay na, can it form? There is no empty orbital na. Okay na, only it can form 2 bonds only, 2 bonds, maximum 3 bonds, and nitrogen can form. It cannot form 5 bonds. Okay, so that's why correct option is what? Option is B. Nitrogen doesn't have p orbital. Okay, okay, so let us go to the next question. Okay, so what is the next question? The transition metal complexes with highest value of crystal field splitting energy value, delta O value, delta O value. What is the delta O value? Tell me. 15. Very good. Tejaswini, very good. Delta O value. That means what? That means what? Crystal field splitting energy of what? Octahedral complexes. Okay na? They have given 4 options and we have to choose correct option. And if you will calculate according to CFSC rule, you will not get a correct answer. Okay, just remember what is the crystal field splitting conditions for octahedral complexes. What are the conditions? Tell me. See here. Okay, I'll give another 1 minute of time. It will take much time to complete the answer. I think you are doing with formula. What is the correct option? At least give your answer. I will see. Give your answer. Give your answer. Tejaswini, Vijay. Don't go with formula. Okay. Okay, I will tell now. Okay, your time is up. See here. Here chromium, see any central metal atom here, chromium having +3 oxidation state, and here molybdenum also having +3 oxidation state, and ferrous and iron also having +3 oxidation state, and at the same osmium also having +3 oxidation state. Okay, but we studied during this crystal field stabilization energy of CFSE of this octahedral complexes. We studied one point that this crystal field splitting energy of this delta O, that means octahedral complexes, depends depends on oxidation state of central metal atom, and it will also depend on transition stability. So transition stable ante enti cheppandi. What is mean by transition stable? See here, among this all central metal atom, any transition metal is present. See, all these are transition metal only. See here, generally 3D and 4D and 5D series are present. 3D, 4D, 5D series are present. Okay. See here, this chromium belong to which 3D? Obviously. And chromium belong to 3D. Chromium, I will write chromium here, then you will understand. And next, molybdenum belongs to what? 5D. Sorry, 4D. Molybdenum belongs to what? 4D. MO. And this ferrous belongs to what? Ferrous also belongs to what? 3D only. 3D. This ferrous, chromium and ferrous. And this is belongs to 4D series, and this osmium is belongs to 5D series. So here what is the rule means, when we will go down the group in transition metals, what will be happen? Z effect is increasing. That what is mean by Z effect? Effective nuclear charge. Yes, very good, Tejaswini. Option D is the correct option. Okay na? So Z effect is increasing, that means effective nuclear charge is increasing. That means the attraction between the nucleus and the valence shell electron is increasing. That's why crystal field splitting is going to be increased. Okay, crystal field splitting also is going to be increased. We no need to go with the formula. Okay na? So just we can do with this simple trick. Okay na? These are NCERT lines. Okay, see here, osmium. See here, this option D is the correct option. Okay, option D is the correct option, because this coordination compound is belongs to what? 5D series transition central metal ion. Okay, let us go to the next question. So what is the next question? The same gases are responsible for the heating of atmosphere, greenhouse effect. Very simple question. This question is asked from, I think, environmental chemistry. Okay, environmental chemistry question. Greenhouse effect, and identify the following the gaseous species which does not cause it. Okay, na, does not cause it. Tell me. They are simply asking that which gaseous species will not responsible for greenhouse effect. Tejaswini, now you have to tell answer, because this is very simple question. 10th class से भी पूछ रहे, 10th class में भी था ये question. This question also there in a 10th class. Greenhouse effect, you studied about this, I think. Greenhouse effect, they are asking simply which gaseous species does not cause greenhouse effect, and we can also call global warming. Okay, global warming. D, very simple, Tejaswini. Okay, I think you answer for previous year question, so no problem. For this question also, what is the correct option? D. So Generally, CH3, O3, and H2O. These three gases are what? What these three gases are called as what? Greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases. Okay, greenhouse gases. This will cause what? Global warming. Global warming. Okay. So in which in which era? In which era? In which level? Tropospheric level. In which level? Tropospheric level. These gases will be present. Okay. See here, very simple. So this is what? N2 is our correct option. They asked what? Which does not cause. So N2 does not cause greenhouse effect. Cause for the greenhouse effect. Tejaswini, very good. Okay, now let us go to the next question. What is the next question? See here. So this question is asked from where? General Organic Chemistry, GOC. क्या पूछ रहे हैं इधर? They are given carbocations. We have to find the stability of the carbocation. Okay. So I think this question is related for resonance, and this question is related for what? This question is related for hyperconjugation, and this question is related for inductive effect. Okay, na? Inductive effect. If we will know all effects, we can do this answer. Otherwise, थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन आंसर आने के लिए. थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा आंसर आने के लिए. Try to give the answer. Tejaswini, Vijayeshwar, try to give the answer. Try to give the answer. So what is the correct option here? So let us find. Sometimes in JEE also, they will give you bonus marks. Okay, na? So this is your bonus marks. Actually, the correct option is not there in this. Okay, na? So if you will give any answer, na, that will be obviously wrong, because there is no correct option here. Okay, na? In this, for this question, actually this is NTA mistake. So let us find what is the correct option. Actually, see here, option A is there, na? Option A is there, na? This is the carbocation. Okay, na? So this carbocation is stabilized by which effect? Tell me. See here, this is one and this is one. Okay, na? So this is what? 2-degree methyl group, and this is also 2-degree 2-degree R group, and 2-degree R groups. Both are, because this carbon is attached with two carbon, 1 carbon and 2 carbon, and 1 carbon and 2 carbon. Okay, 2-degree carbons. Okay, na? So 2-degree R group. So it will donate. It will show what? Plus I effect. Plus I effect. Okay, na? So what it will be do? It will donate what? Electrons to this carbocation. Carbocations means what? It is electron deficient species. Deficient species. इसका पास electrons क्या होता है? कमी होता है. So इसलिए see here plus I group is present. So plus I group, if plus I effect is always directly proportional to what? Stability of carbocation. Very simple and important formula. You have to remember. Okay. So plus I effect is working here, and also you can see here hyperconjugation also working now. See here 2 alpha hydrogens are present, and here also 2 alpha hydrogens are present. That means how many alpha hydrogens are present here? 4 alpha hydrogens are present. These 4 alpha hydrogens are what? Stabilizing what? Carbocation. Okay, carbocation. Very simple. Okay, see here, next to option B. See this option B. This oxygen what? Contains what? Very important. This is very important. It will contains what? A lone pair of electrons. Okay, na? Lone pair of electrons. And this carbocation is what? Electron deficient species. And very important, carbocation having empty orbital. Okay, see here, what are the conditions for the resonance? See here, if resonance should be happen, so it should be have certain conditions. Conjugation must and should. Pi sigma pi, one condition. Pi sigma lone pair. Pi sigma carbocation. Pi sigma carboanion. pi sigma carboanion, pi sigma lone, pi sigma free radical, and pi sigma what? No, not pi sigma, lone pair sigma empty orbital. Very, very important. This is very, very important. Lone pair sigma empty orbital. Here also same like this only. This is what? This is lone pair, and this is what? Empty orbital. So here resonance will going to happen. This lone pair is going to donate what? This to this carbocation. So here resonance is happening. So option B is stabilizing with what? Resonance. Okay, na? Resonance. Generally, which is more dominant? First one is what? Aromaticity. So there is no aromaticity. Next, resonance. Resonance. Then what? Hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation. And lastly, what? Last, we can see what? Inductive effect. Okay, na? Inductive effect. We can tell the stability depending upon resonance and aromaticity and hyperconjugation. Okay, na? So resonance is more dominant. Okay, na? So we understood that what? Option B is more stable than option A, because in option A plus I effect is there. Okay, plus I effect is there. Clear? When compared to plus I effect, even though hyperconjugation, resonance is dominant. Na? Okay, so option B is more stable. And when comes to this option C, see here, this is very important. Very important. This is O na, and this is R group na, and this is also R group na. So this will show minus I effect. Minus I effect. O bond R. Just go and see the order of this. What order of this was? C. Very good. Order of this minus I effect. Minus I effect. That means plus I effect, minus I effect groups. Okay, na? See here. OR will show what? Minus I effect. So minus I effect means what? What it will be do? So minus I effect is indirectly proportional to the stability of carbocation. What it will be do? So minus I effect minus I group means what? It is what? Electron withdrawing group. Carbocation is what? Electron deficient species, and it is having less number of electrons. And even though one minus I group is there now, so it will what? Pull the electrons from where? Carbocation. Okay, that means what? Stability decreases. Okay, stability is decreases. Already carbocation is unstable, but even though, and this R group is what? What it will be do? It will pull the electrons towards oxygen. That means OR group. That means it will destabilize. So minus effect. So which is more stable? Obviously option B is the more stable. Okay, what they said, we have to write decreasing order. Decreasing order na. So option B is more stable. Then option A is stable. Option A is stable. Then option C annitikanta. So when compared to all, option C is less stable. So BAC. So do you see any option BAC in here? No, Tejas Vijay were wrong. Can you see BCA here? BAC here? There is no option BAC. That's why this is a bonus question. Bonus question. In June 24th shift to entrance examination, this question asked in where? June 24th shift to entrance exam. Okay, this is bonus question for you guys. Okay, okay. What is the correct option? B greater than, B greater than, and C A greater than, and C. Okay, clear? This is the correct option. Let us go to the next question. Give see here, two statements are given. Two statements are given. So in the light of observed statements, choose the correct answer for the following option. We have to choose correct option. Can I read this? Can I read this? Tejaswini, that is correct ma? Correct only. That is correct only. You can see any previous analysis. You can understand. That is correct only. Previous year question. Previous question. Okay, see here. Here two statements are given. What is the first statement? The presence of a weaker, bonds make alkenes less stable. in presence of weaker bonds makes alkenes less stable. Alkenes less stable than alkanes. This is the first statement. Is it correct or wrong? And what is the second statement? The strength of the double bond is greater than that the carbon single bond. The carbon single bond. Then the carbon single bond. Strength of double bond is always greater than strength of single bond. They are saying. So first, let me do this question. See here, what is the first statement? The presence of weaker bonds. The presence of weaker bonds. Alkenes less stable when compared to alkanes. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, obviously this is correct, because in alkanes pi bonds are present. For example, in between carbon double bond is present. So this is what alkene. I'm just writing in. This is alkane single bond is present. So when this weaker bond is present, so it will decreases what it will do. What not stability? Yes, stability. We can say stability. Okay, na? We can say stability. It is decreasing the what? Stability of this alkenes. Okay, this is obviously correct answer. So correct statement. Okay, sir. This they are telling this individually. Next statement, the strength of double bond is greater than that the strength of carbon bond. Yes, this statement also obviously correct. Why? They are telling that. I am telling overall when we'll compare to double bond, triple bond, double bond, double bond and single bond, which bond is more stable? Tell me, which bond is more stable? Obviously triple bond is more stable. Okay, obviously in triple bond is more stable. These lines also given in NCERT also. So how we can say, see here, this triple bond having how much bond dissociation energy? Tell me. 8. So bond energy, how much bond energy? 393, sorry, 839 kilojoules per mole. And this double bond having how much? 134, sorry, 614, 614. Okay, 614. You just write 614. And single bond having how much? 347 kilojoules per mole energy. Okay, so if you want to break this bond, see here, this bond. So if triple bond is there now, so that means bonds will very close in alkenes. Okay, na? The bonds are very close. Okay, na? So if you want to break that bonds, we need to give more energy. Okay, na? More energy. That means strength of double bond always greater than, see a double bond strength how much? 614. Okay, so what is the strength here? Just 347 kilojoules for energy. That means that is a very less energy. Okay, so this statement also correct. Clear? Okay, so the correct option is what? Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option A is the correct option. So try, see here, organic chemistry question. Okay, na? So this is conversion based question you have to do. So try to do this answer. Try to do this answer. I will give 2 minutes of time. 2 minutes of time. So 1.5 time is over now. So in the question, Tejaswini, see here in the question, I am telling here for 13 question. So for 14 question, na? So for 40 question, see here. So when compares to, what is the first statement? First statement, when compares to alkene, undi kada, alkene. So alkane అనేటువంటిది stable అంట. This is stable. Okay, why this is stable? Because in alkene one pi bond, weaker pi bond is present. That's why alkenes are stable. These are individually. Okay, na? Individually. But in second statement, the strength of the double bond is greater than, see here, this is obviously correct. Triple bond greater than double bond greater than single bond. So they said that, so highest bond strength, see here, triple bond will have, that means alkenes having highest strength. Okay, na? Then alkenes and అన్నిటికన్నా తక్కువ ఏంటి? alkane, alkane, alkane having very less strength. Why? See here, the bond energy, if you will know bond energy, okay na, బాండ్ ఎనర్జీ తెలిస్తే మనకి ఏ బాండ్ ఇప్పుడు బాండ్ ఎనర్జీ ఎక్కువ ఉందనుకోమ్మా, బాండ్ ఎనర్జీ ఎక్కువ ఉందనుకో, సో దాన్ని మనం ఈజీగా బ్రేక్ చేయలేం. వి కాంట్ బ్రేక్ దట్ బాండ్, ఓకేనా, వి కాంట్ బ్రేక్ దట్ బాండ్ ఈజీలీ. సో మనం ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పుకున్నాం ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్కి బాండ్ ఎనర్జీ ఎంత ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి, ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్కి బాండ్ ఎనర్జీ ఎంత ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి, 839 కిలో జౌల్స్ పర్ మోల్ ఉంటుంది. డబుల్ బాండ్కి జస్ట్ 614 అండ్ సింగిల్ బాండ్కి జస్ట్ 347 kilojoules per mole, kilojoules per more. Did you understand my point? Okay, I hope you understood. Next, let us go to the next question. See here, do this answer, do this answer. I'll give 2 minutes of time. Do this answer, 2 minutes, because this is very big question na. 2 minutes, I'll be back. 2 minutes, 1.5 hour అవుతుంది. If you can take a small break, okay na, 2 minutes లో కొంచెం వాటర్ తాగి ఫ్రెష్ అప్ అవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి, ఓకేనా, లైక్ ఐ మీన్ కొంచెం మైండ్ ఫ్రెష్ చేసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. సో టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్, టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్. See here, very simple, very simple. See here, first they have given, see here, very simple, I will write here this in first option what they said. See here, in question they said that, see here, this is one alkene na, double bond means this is alkene, alkene. So alkene is going to convert to what here, CHO, it is nothing but what, aldehyde, aldehyde, okay na, aldehyde. So see here, let me check what first option, PCC oxidation. What is mean by PCC oxidation, tell me. PCC means what, PCC means what, pyridinium chlorochromate, chlorochromate. So PCC means what, pyridinium chlorochromate. So in this reaction generally what will be happen, alcohols, so alcohols are going to convert into the aldehydes. See here, is it correct? Here alkene is there, alkene is going to convert into what, CHO aldehyde. So do you see any alcohols here? No, that means we can say pyridine is what, wrong, PCC is what wrong. Okay, so let us check next, ozonolysis. In ozonolysis what will be happen, tell me. In ozonolysis generally, in ozonolysis, same this compound we will going to take here. This is the compound. See here, here CH2 is there and here CH3 is there. So when we will do ozonolysis, that means we have to break bond and we have to add oxygen here. Just simple ozonolysis, ozone means what, O3. So then what we will get means here we will get what, CH3 is there as it is. Here we will get what, double bond O. So plus here we will also get HCO, okay na. See here, this is the major product, okay na, this is a major product, but this is what, this is double bond O, this is one R group, this is one R group, this is ketone na, this is ketone na. What we have to get, we have to get aldehyde, okay na, as a major product. This is not a major product, this is aldehyde, but this is not a major product. In this major product we have to get what, we have to get what, aldehyde. So option B also wrong. Let us go to the option C. Option C. See here, option C is the correct option. Option C is the correct option. How option C is the correct option? See here, I'm writing the reaction over here. This is the general compound which they have given in the reaction. Here one CH3 is there, and when we will going to react with this compound with see here, if we will react this compound with H2O and in presence of BH3 and OH minus also there na, here OH minus. So what will be happen, this OH is going to come and attack here, double bond will going to disappear, okay, double bond will going to disappear. So here what we will get, here we will get CH2 double bond, sorry, single bond OH. Here we will get what, single bond OH. This is what, this became what, alcohol. This is what? This is what? Alcohol. Okay, na Ce to CH2OH means what? That is alcohol only. So next PCC will come. So PCC will come. So what is the work of PCC? I already said here. So PCC will convert alcohol into what? Aldehydes. So here alcohol is there, so it will convert into the aldehyde. Very simple, very simple, very simple. Here CH3 is there, so it will convert this CH2OH into CHO aldehyde. So this is our final product we got here. So option C is the correct option. Is it okay? Is it okay? Take one screenshot. Okay, I'll go into next question. So option C is the correct option. Save and next. So what is the next question? See here, one compound is they are given hex 4-ene and 2-ol. On the treatment with PCC gives AA, something gives A product, and this A on reacting with sodium iodide, it gives something B. Okay, something B, and which is further heating, we'll get soda lime. Okay, na? So what is the C? So soda lime gives C. If we will heat this B with this soda lime, we will get C. What is the C? We have to tell. Tell me what is the C. So what is the question C here? What is the question C here? So here the question they have given what? Hex 4-ene and 1-ene. So how we have to make hex? See here, this is OH. So we have, see, this is hex 4-ene and 2-ol. See here one double bond is there. So this is hexene 4-ene. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 carbons means what? Hexene. Okay. See here we have to count from this side. So second. So this is simply IUPAC based on IUPAC nomenclature. We have to write. Okay, na? See here 2-ol. So here at the fourth place, ene group is there. Okay, na? OL group is there. So this is hexene 4-ene. So when we will react with PCC, so first they said that PCC. Okay, na? So what we will get here? We will get very important. Here we will get C double bond O. Here it will form ketone. I said that there that will form what? Alcohol, but here directly it will form ketone. So next step it will form aldehyde. Okay, na? So this is it will converts. Okay, na? It will form ketone here, and then what will be happen? So we have to react with this will what? This is A, compound A. So when we will react with this compound A with sodium hypoiodide, sodium hypoiodide means what? Na plus and OI minus. Na plus and OI minus. This is sodium hypoiodide. ये क्या है? Sodium hypoiodide है. So so this is very simple. This is what? Haloform rearrangement will be happen here. Haloform rearrangement will be happen here. See here, this aldehyde is there na? So this CH3 group is there na? So it will go with this OH minus, OI minus, and this Na plus is there na? It will go with this acid group. Okay na? So if CH3 will go from here, what we will get here? So here this this aldehyde is there na? Okay. So it will form what? Salt of carboxylic acid. It will form what? Salt of carboxylic acids. So this compound that we will going to get here, and here one double bond, and here one so this is the major product. This is the C1 only. So they just asked what is the major product here. So this is what? Salt of carboxylate ion. So what is the answer here? Tell me. What is the answer here? Tell me. Option C is the answer. Okay. So let us go to the next question. Okay. So next question is the conversion of Pro1-ol and N-butylamine involves in the sequential addition of reagent. The correct sequential of order. We have to write correct sequential order. Okay, na? So I am consuming, I think, no more time. Okay, na? So directly I will explain answer only. So if you know answer, you just give me answer. Okay, na? See here, prop 1 all is there, prop 1 all is there. So we have to converting into what? In butanamine. So ఈ ప్రాసెస్ లో ఏ సీక్వెన్స్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతుంది? సో హమ్ usko find karna hai. See here, the correct option for this is option A. Option A is the correct option. See here what they said, prop 1 all, propane 1 all. See here I am writing propane 1 all, CH3, CH2 and CH2 and OH. This is propane 1 all. Okay, so what? So it is giving what? Here it is giving N-butanol. So CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2 and N-butanamine. See here, NH2 last. So this is N-butanamine. So how it will going to produce? So first we have to react with SOCl2. What? First we have to react with SOCl2. Then what we will get? Tell me. This generally this reaction is called as what? Darjen's reaction. Just remember Darjen's reaction. So when we will react with this alcohol with this in Darjen's reaction, when we will react this alcohol with this SOCl2, what will be produced? CH3, CH2, CH2 and Cl. Okay, Cl at the place of this OH. So Cl will come and attach. Okay, na? So then KCN means what? Here SN2 reaction will going to happen. KCN is there, na? Next this KCN is there, na? First SOCl is completed, KCN is there, na? So in KCN, so what it will be produced means it will produce CH3 and CH2 and CH2, and this CN is CN will go and attack here. Okay, na? Will going to attack here. So at the place of this chlorine will remove and CN will going to attach here. So C triple bond N will come here. So then what will be happen in presence of, see here addition will going to happen. Addition, that means here we are using H2 na, addition with nickel and nickel NaHg and C2H5OH. Okay, so then finally we will get this compound. We will get this compound. So at the place of this C triple bond N, so 2 hydrogen will going to attack and it will become like what? NH3. CN will become like what? NH2. NH2. So what is the correct option? Correct option is A. Okay, correct option is A. So let us go to the next question. Which of the following is not example for what? Condensation polymer. Very simple. Condensation polymer. What is the example for what? What is the example for condensation polymer? Tell me. Do you know what is the example? So the correct option is Buna-N. So they are asking not example for what? Condensation reaction. Buna-N, it means what? It will show what? It is a copolymer, na? Copolymer reaction. It will shows like so it is made up of what? Two dimers. So sorry, two monomers like this buta 1,3 diene and plus what? Acrylonitrite. Okay, acrylonitrate. Okay, acrylonitrate. So buta 1,3 diene and acrylonitrite. So both will go in addition. Okay, na? So basically this is a copolymer reaction. Addition will be happen. So there is no condensation. So condensation will happen in this nylon 66 and acron and silicon. So but in Buna-N there is no condensation reaction. So that is a copolymer reaction. Okay, correct option is C. So tell me. So this is very, very important question. I think in 4 shifts they asked regarding this structure. Okay, na? regarding this structure? Tell me. Be very good. Be very good. 19 का आंसर बताओ. 19 का 19 का आंसर बताओ. What is the correct option? Just they asked what is the name of this structure. Very simple. If you will know, if you will go through this NCERT book, we will know. Very simple. Okay, now what is the correct option? The correct option is C. What? Cimetidine. Cimetidine. This, what is the structure of this? What is the name of this structure? Cimetidine. Okay, so very simple. Option C is the correct option. Okay, let us go to the next question. Next question. What is the next question? So in the flame test of mixture of salts, the green flame with the blue center was observed. Which one of the cation may be present? Okay, so ఒకవేళ మనకు గ్రీన్ ఫ్లేమ్ విత్ బ్లూ సెంటర్ ఉన్నట్టయితే అప్పుడు మనకు ఏ క్యాటయన్ అనేటువంటిది ఆ కలర్ ని షో చేస్తే అడుగుతున్నాడు అంతే. చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్? ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ C, not C, not C. The correct option is Cu. So Cu will, what it will be do means this Cu ion green in green flame with blue center. If you will do flame test, what will be happen? It will show green flame with the blue center. And if I talk about this what it will be show? It will show crimson red color, and it will show what? As you said that C option, not C option, so it will what? It will show apple, I think apple green, right? Apple green. Okay, apple green. So what is the correct option? Ultimately A is the correct option. We want only correct option la. So option A will show what? If we will do flame test, it will show what? Green flame with blue center. With blue center. Okay, let us do the next question. See here, these are integer types of question. Okay, these are integer types of question. Okay, what is the question? What is the question given here? Tell me, what is the question? These are numerical type questions, very lengthy questions. Okay, na? You have to do. Okay, let me do the answer. Okay, take one screenshot, try to understand. If you want to do numericals, okay, na? Do the numericals which you know. Generally we will get what? 10 integer types of questions. Okay, na? In this section, whatever you know, you just attempt. You have to attempt definitely you have to attempt 15 questions, 5 questions. Okay, na? So don't do the questions which will take more time. Okay, na? So I think this type of questions will consume more time. So this question, see here, mole fraction. See here, a compound dissolves in X amount of C2 at 298 kilo 298. Next 1 liter of water to prepare soda water. So X. So X we have to term in terms of 10 to the power of 3 grams. And we have to find the nearest integer. So all values are given here. They have given all values. See here. So let me do. So let us assume the mole fraction of this CO2 is how much? The mole fraction of CO2 is how? This is what? Chi1. Okay, na? Chi1. Okay, na? So this is basically Henry law. Okay, Henry law. So what is the formula for chi here? Chi1 here. Chi1 is equal to what? Pressure by and kh. Okay, kh. See here, kh value also here given. So what is the value of kh value? Kh value. See here, what is the kh value? See here, k value is given. See here, value is given. Kh value is given. How much? kh value is equal to 1.67 kilobar. Am I right? Kilobar. So we have to convert this kilobar into bar. So we have to do what? We have to multiply with 10 to the power of 3. Then we will get answer in bars. Okay, na? We will get answer in bars. Okay. This is one side, and chi1 is equal to what? Just put the values here. What is the pressure? Pressure given here 0. See here 0.835. They have given pressure. Okay. Next 1.67 into 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 is kh value. Okay, na kh value 1.67 to 10 to the power of 3. So what we will get ultimately? Chi value. Chi1 is equal to how much we will get? Just calculate this. 0.835 by 1.67 to 10 to the power of 3 means how much we will get? Beta 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 3. So I said for chi1, I said this formula, but you just remember, sir, if you want to find the chi1, we have another formula also is there na. So chi1 is equal to n1 by n1 plus n2. This is also formula na. This is also what? Mole fraction. Mole fraction. We can also find with this. Okay. Okay. So here what is the n2? Here what is the n2? N2 is this water is what? N2 water. Okay na? So we have to find 1 liter of water. So 1 liter of water means what should I write here? Chi1 is equal to n1 by, I will write with red pen. See here n1 by n1 plus, see here 1 liter means what? 1000 by, see here water, what is the mass of water? 18. So what we will get here? Answer, tell me. H2O. What we will get here? This is n1. Don't confuse. Okay na? So here we will get chi1 is equal to, sorry, chi1 is equal to n1 by n1 plus 55.5 we will get. Okay na? We will get 55.5. 55.5 here we will get. So this. So what we have to do? We have to equate. So this is one thing and this is one thing. This is one equation. This is one equation. What we have to just take one screenshot. We have to equate. We have to equate each. Beta physical chemistry means numericals. Okay na? We have to do. This is IIT JEE. Okay na? Your standard should be higher. Okay, take one screenshot. So I will equate these two equations. So what is the first equation? N1 by, so N2. I am equating both two chi values. I said two chi1 values now. Okay, see here N1 plus 55.55 is equal to, so how much we got? 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay na, chi1 value 10 to the power of minus 3 we got. Next, see here 0.5 into, if we will send this value that side, what we will get? 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay sir, into this n1 will come this side and it will become 27.77 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Very simple. And n1 kya hota hai idhar? See here, this will become 1 minus 0.5 into 10 to the power of 3. 1 minus 0.5 into 10 to the power of 3 and is equal to 27.77 into 10 to the power of minus 3. See here n1 is equal to what we will get here ultimately? 27.77 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by 0.9995 and finally we will get 0.027 moles. Okay na? 0.07 moles. Okay na? So we have to know, see here they asked in grams. They said that they have to find the in grams. See here 0.027 is there na. So just we have to multiply with what? CO2. What is the molar mass of CO2? 44. Then we will get what? 1.221 1.221 grams. Okay na, 1.221 grams. Yes, sorry, we will get, I think, mole in moles. We have to, yes, if we want to get in grams, we just have to multiply with 10 to the power of 3. 21 into 10 to the power of 3. So this is the correct option, right? This one only. What is the correct option? 1.221. 1.221 is the correct option. 1.221. So if you will get 1.223, 224, nearest value, no problem, they'll give the answers. Okay, now they'll give the answer. So let us go to the next question. Let us go to the next question. So PCC, so this will consume lot of time. If you will do this answer, it will consume lot of time. Okay, na? So when you will get this type of questions in JEE mains, try to avoid these types of questions. Try to avoid these types of questions, because this will take at least it will take 15 to 30 minutes of time. Okay, na? So what we have to do for this, we have to find degree of dissociation, we have to find alpha values, and we have to, oh, so lot of process is there. You will get 3 to 4 pages. Okay, na? So what ultimately what we will get here answer? Do you know what we will get answer here? Do you know? 1107 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So no, don't worry. If 10 numericals will come na, so definitely you will know 5 questions. Definitely they will give easy, but sometimes they will give like this hard questions. Okay, na? As I discussed, so that also very hard question, and this also very hard question. Okay, na? Just note this. Okay, na? So let us go to the next one. See here, when 200 ml of, so this is the simple question. We can say this is the simple question and formula based question. Okay, na? So what is the answer we will get here? Tell me. So when 200 ml of 2 mole of acetic acid shaken with 0.6 grams of wood charcoal with the final concentration of acetic after adsorption of 0.1 mole. So we have to find mass of this acetic acid absorbed per gram. We have to find what? Per gram of the carbon. Okay, na? Per gram of the carbon. So see here, R is equal to what? Generally R is equal to what here? 1750. They are given resistant. They have given a resistant. Are you understand? Resistant what? Generally 170, 1750 ohms. Okay, na? Ohm. 1750. See here, this is another question. Na? First of all, what they have given here, weight of wood charcoal is given. Na? Wood charcoal in given in the question 0.69. Okay, sir. See here 0.6. Sorry, 0.6 grams. Okay, na? Next, so we have to find what? Mass of this acetic acid absorbed. We have to find mass of acetic acid absorbed. So what is the simple formula? Here we have simple formula M1 V1 minus M2 V2 by 100, sorry, by 1000 into 60. Okay, now this is the simple formula. This is the simple formula. What we have to do, we have to put the values here. So M means what? Initial concentration. Here M1 is initial concentration, M2 is final concentration, and V is called volume. So it is not changing here, only 200 ml only. So volume first, M1 is what? पहले तो कितना है? 0.2 moles है. Then this concentration is changed to 0.1 mole. Okay, na 0.14. See here, just put the values here. M1 what? 0.2 into what is the volume? Volume is not changing, into 200, and minus M2 is what? 0.1. Here 0.1, 0.1 into, and V2 also not changing, by, and by 1000 into 60. What we will get? We will get what? So ultimately we will get, just let me calculate, 2.0 and 0.2 into 200 minus 0.1 into 200 by 1000 into 60. So finally here we will get what? Just 1.2 grams we will get. 1.2 grams we will get. Okay. So what they are asking? Per gram they are asking. Per gram of the carbon they are asking. So per gram of the they are asking means what we have to do? Mass of acetic acid observed the program. So carbon is equal to, see here carbon is there na. So how much we got? 1.2 grams there. What is the mass of this carbon? Here they are given a initial this 0.6. Okay na. So we have to put 0.6 here. So finally we will get what? 1.06 plus 0, we will get 2. Okay now we will get 2, approximately 2. What is the correct option? Correct answer for this? 2 is the correct option. Correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. Okay. So let us go to the next question. Let us go to the next question. See here. Now this question is very easy. Now this question is very easy. So I said now easy questions also come and moderate questions also come. Okay. And integer type means mostly they will ask from physical chemistry. They'll ask hard questions. See here, barite and galena and zinc blend and copper copper pyrites. So how many these minerals are mineral sulfide based? So mineral sulfide based, among these four, how many are mineral sulfide based? We have to find. See here. So barite, what is the formula for barite? BaSO4. And what is the galena? So galena means what? Don't confuse PBS. Lead sulfate is called as a galena. And zinc blend means what? ZnS is also called zinc blend. And what is this copper pyrite? This Cu and the combination of Se and S2. See here. See here, this is what? Barium sulfate. Here they are asking sulfide, ide. Sulfate. This is sulfate. So we can eliminate BaSO4. Okay, BaSO4. And sulfide means what? Sulfide means what? Sulfide means S2 having -2 charge. Here sulfur definitely it should have -2 charge. -2 charge. Okay, na 2 minus. Sulfur should have 2 minus charge. See here, this is lead sulfide, zinc sulfide only, and this is also sulfide only. Okay na. So these three are what? Sulfide. Okay na. Mineral based sulfides. Okay, clear. So what is the correct option? What we have to write here? 3. 3 is the correct option. Okay na. So in these three options, sulfide it is having -2 charge, but in barium sulfate SO4 minus, that means only it is having minus charge only. It should be have -2. Okay. So this is very simple question. Let us go to the next question. What is the next question? Manganese 4 has ability to disproportionate in acid solution. In acid solution, the difference in oxidation states of these two ions from the acidic solution. So they are asking manganese at +2 oxidation state. That means if manganese there at +6 oxidation state, it will go into what? Disproportionate reaction. That means it will produce like two different oxidation states. See here, MnO4 2 plus is there now. Here it is having +6 oxidation state. So when it will react with 4H plus, and it will produce what? MnO4 minus and plus MnO2, and as well as it will produce what? H2O, 2 moles of H2O. See here, it will produce two different types of oxidation state. Here Mn having +7 oxidation state, and here Mn having +4 oxidation state. They are asking the difference between these two oxidation state. What is the difference? 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So what is the correct option? 3. Very simple. Sometimes they will ask very simple questions also. Okay na? So we can answer like this. Take one screenshot here. Okay, 1 2 3. So okay, let us go to the next question. See here, 0.2 grams of inorganic compounds subjected. So some questions are came and I mean bonus questions వచ్చాయి. సో వాటిని ఎలిమినేట్ చేసి చెప్తున్నాను నేను మీకు బోనస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ని. సో మిగిలిన వాటిని మాత్రమే చెప్తాను. కన్సిడర్ ద ఎబో రియాక్షన్, ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ పై. సో ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది కదా, number of pi. Okay, see here, we will discuss this question only. This is very simple question. So first read this question. I will give one minute of time. Read this question. 0.2 grams of organic compounds was subjected, okay na, subjected to estimation of nitrogen by Dumas method. Dumas method very important, okay na, Dumas method. So which involves of N2 involved at STP was found to be what, 22.400 ml, so 400 ml. The percentage of nitrogen in the compound, they are asking what percentage of N2 nitrogen, they are asking percentage of nitrogen, okay, only nitrogen. So let us write what they are given in the question. So first they are given weight of an organic compound, weight of one organic compound. So ఏమి ఇచ్చిండు అక్కడ weight, what they are given, 0.2 grams. Okay, 0.2 grams they are given. Okay, so mass of one N2 gas involved. See here, what is the mass here, what is the we have to find the mass of N2 gas. See here, mass of N2 gas evolved is equal to, see here, 22 point here 4, 22.4 into 22.4 into, see here, you just write 22.4 here, not 00. I think question lo mistake. Next, so here they are given in ml, very important, ml lo they are given. So we have to convert into what, we have to convert into what, liters. We have to convert into the liters. So just we have to multiply with 10 to the power of 3, then it will convert into the liters. Actually this value is given in what ml, so we are converting into liters. Then see here, we have to divide with 22.4. see here, 22.4 liter. So at STP, see here, molar mass of N2, see here, molar volume is of N2 at STP, standard temperature and pressure. So what we have to take, 22.4 liter we have to take. So 22.4 liter I have taken. See here, 22.4, 22.4 will going to cancel out. What we will get, 2.8. see here, ikkada into 28 cheyale, into 28 cheyale. So 28 into 10 to the power of minus 3 grams, 10 to the power of minus 3 gram we got. So then we have to find percentage of nitrogen. So this, what we have to divide this value with what, 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by, so how many how much weight is given here, the organic compounds, 0.2, and is equal to what, how much we will get. So into, here we are percentage చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి into 100 చేయాలి. So ultimately what we will get, 2.8 into 10 to the power of 3 by 0.2 into 100. So we will get what, ultimately 14. We will get what, 14 answer. So for this, what, 14 is the correct answer. Okay, 14 is the correct answer. Just do this calculation, you will get correct answer. Okay na? Okay, let us go to the next question. Next, see this 29th question. 29th question, it is very simple. Consider the above reaction, the number of pi electrons are present in the product P. What is the reaction? See here, what is the reaction? I just scroll down. So no, I'm writing the reaction over here. I'm writing the reaction over here. I think question printing mistake. Cl and double bond, and here NaOH, and here H2O is there, and here one product P is there. So in this product, they are asking, in this product how many number of pi electrons, not pi bonds, pi electrons. This is very important, you have to know. So how many pi electrons are there in this reaction? Yes. So what will be happen here? See here, this Na having positive charge and OH having negative charge. This OH is going to attack here because this chlorine is more electronegative species. So partial electrons will go moves towards the chlorine. So chlorine will get partially negative charge, and here we will get partially positive charge. That's why this OH will come and attack here. This chlorine will go with what? The Na. Okay, na Na positive and Cl minus. This will remove as a NaCl. Okay, now very simple, NaCl. And next, what we will get? Here we will get what? Simply here we will get what? OH we will get. So this is the product. So now you just tell me how many pi electrons are present. By seeing, you can tell how many pi electrons are present here. Very simple. See here, only one pi electron is there na. Only one pi bond is there now. So one pi bond means what? How many electrons? 2 electrons in any bond. So one bond means 2 electrons are present. So option 80, what is the correct answer? 2 is the correct answer. Okay, let us go to the next question. Final question. So see here, this is very important. I'll try to zoom this question. Give me 1 second. See here, in question they have given, see here, one amino acid group. Okay na, amino acid group. Okay na. So here in this question they have given 5 amino acids. Okay na, 5 amino acids, and we have to find number of peptide linkages in between these 5 amino acids. See here, what are there? I'll try to write here individually. Ala. See here, alanine and alanine and ACY and LEU and ALA and VAL. Okay na, valine. Okay na, alanine, leucine. Okay na. So they have given 5 amino acids. We have to find how many peptide bonds between these 5 amino acids. Tell me, 5 amino acids. How many amino acids are present? How many peptides? So in between each and every amino acids, okay na, definitely one pi bond should be present. See here, one bond, one peptide bond should be present. See here 5 is there. So how many bonds are there? Peptide bonds. This is one peptide bond. 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 So 4 peptide bonds are present. So if they will give 6 amino acids, if they will give 6 amino acids, so what we have to tell? 5 peptide bonds. So one peptide bond is less. Okay na? Okay na? ఒకవేళ 6 peptide bonds ఇస్తే what we have to do? ఒకటి తక్కువ చేసి చెప్పాలి. Okay na? 5 peptide bonds ఉంటాయి. If 7 is there, so 6 peptide bonds. If 8 amino acids are there, so 7 peptide bonds. If 100 amino acids there, then 99 peptide bonds should be there. Okay na? Very simple. See here, 5 amino acids means what? 4 peptide bonds. So 4 is the correct option. This is the analysis of what? Okay na? So this is the analysis of what? 24th June session 1, our chemistry question paper analysis shift 2. Okay. So if you want revision material, let me, regarding maths or physics or chemistry, if you want revision material, or if you want to short notes, because you have very less time, 2 days are there, maximum 2 to 3 days are there. So if you want any revision notes and short notes and revision material, so you can download our RISE application. So the links are given in the description. So those are very helpful. So and especially if I talk about maths, so most of the formula based questions they will ask na. So for each and every chapters here in revision material and in short notes, in short notes. Each and every chapter should be there. So in each and every chapter, what are the important formulas in maths, important formulas in chemistry, okay na? So every formula based content is there in our RISE application, so don't miss it, okay na? So I have given the link in the description below, so go and download and register. You can use freely, okay? Okay, if you want mock test and anything, and you can also prefer our RISE application, okay? Thank you so much, all of you. All the very best, and bye bye.